Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to do the moon phase trend on TikTok. With this tutorial, you'll be able to join in on the trend. The first step is opening your website or your browser. It can either be Safari, Google, Opera, or any other browser you have. So you're gonna search moonphases.co.uk. Now that you have this loaded, just look for your birthday here. So for example, I guess mine's March 1. Then it will show this. Then it will show this, as you can see here. So all you have to do is just take a screenshot and then look for your partner's birthday, and then now take a screenshot again. Okay, now that you have that, just crop it. I forgot to crop the other one, but make sure you do that as well. And then save it. Now that you have your two photos, just go to TikTok and then search moon phase trend. So if you open a lot of the videos, then you're gonna see that there's a CapCut logo at the bottom on top of their username. So just tap on that and then use this template in CapCut. So now that you're here, tap on use template and then go to photos and tap on the two photos. So here you go. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.